Hey guys, DAF'D here with you again. Thank you so much for joining me. This week I took on the end of an era. Yes, folks, we have finally made it. We have seen the end of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I don't know about you, I was never a fan. I don't even think I saw a single episode, to be honest with you. I just knew somewhat who they were. I knew Kim's big ass was big in the press and all that, and Kanye West got her pregnant, so then he decided to marry her. But other than that, I mean, I think these people are absolutely reprehensible, disgusting people that have absolutely no talent other than convincing us that we need to watch them because we have empty, vapid lives. That's a pretty good talent, I guess, able to manipulate the mindset of a country to think that there's something special when they're, as far as I can tell, they're nothing. I mean, I think their father did all the work, didn't he? And then he died really young. Nonetheless, here, Kanye was a smart one. He escaped, and here he is escaping. Thank God, Kanye is an actual artist. He may be crazy as all get out, but at least he contributes something to the world. Unlike these Kardashians that are just empty nothingness, and I can't wait for them to truly disappear. But nonetheless, that's enough for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to me. And until the next time, I will see you around. Peace.